Okay. So the next question is question 3. Find x in the following proportions. We have to find the value of x in the following proportions. Your number, they have given 4 terms. Out of 4 terms you will see one term is given as x. In this case it is the first term. In this case it is the second term, and here it is given as the third term. So you have to find the value of x in this proportion. Now they are saying it is already in proportion. So which formula you will use to find the value of x? What is the formula? The product of the extreme is equal to the product of the means. That is, a into d should be equal to b into c. What is this a, d, b, c? They are nothing but the terms. So we have a, b, c, d. Similarly, this is a, this is b, this is c, this is b, and this is a, this is b, this is c, this is b. So first thing you have to do is write your ABCD on the problem. Then it will be easy for you to solve the problem. Now next we have to do what? We have to substitute A, D and B, C and then check the value of x. Now here A is given as x into D is given as 12 is equal to 4 in D is given as 4 and C is given as 9. Okay. Now what you can do? Find the value of x, keep your x on this side, bring 12 on the other side. Now it is multiplied here. So what will happen when it goes on the other side? It is multiplied. So what will happen when it goes on the other side? It will divide them. So take x here only, you write 4 into 9 upon 12. X value will come to 4 ones are 4 3s are 3 ones are 3 3s are. So x value is 3. So in this, the first one, x value is 3. Okay, got? Okay, now the second one, same formula. A into D is equal to B into C. So A is 1 by 13, B is 1 upon 5, B is in x, and C is 1 by 2. Okay. Now what will happen? Sorry, this is multiplication. Now keep your x here, bring this on the other side. Okay. So 1 is multiplied, 2 is divided here. Or what we can do? We will solve this. 1 ones are 1, 3 5s are 15 is equal to x into 1 upon 2. Okay. Now just remember, this 1 is multiplying here and 2 is dividing. We have to take this on the other side. So this 2 is divided. When it goes on the other side, it will multiply. 1 is multiplied, it will go down. The down number goes up, the up numbers will come down. So 1 into 2 upon 15 into 1 will be your value of x. So what do you get the value of x? 1 to the 2, 15 on the 15. Therefore x is equal to 2 by 15. Okay. So the value of x is 2 by. Sorry, there was a small mistake which I did here. Instead of taking 1 by 13, I took it as 1 by 3. So let's resolve it by taking it as 1 by 13. So 1 by 13 into 1 by 5 will be equal to x multiplied by half. So you get 1 by 65. Yes, 1 by 65 is equal to x by 2. So 2 will come up, you get 2 upon 65 is equal to x. So this is the answer. Let's do the last one from this. Okay. Now the mistake you can, if it was 1 by 3, the answer would have been different, and if it is 1 by 13, it is 2 by 65. Now the third one, A into D will be 3.6 into 0.5 will be equal to B into C. B is 0.4 and C is X. So this also we can do same way, 3.6 into 0.5, 0.4 will come down, is equal to, X remains here, 0.49 is 3.6. So you will get here 9 into 0.5 is equal to X, 9 5s are 45, so answer comes to 4.5 because there is a decimal point. So this is your final answer of question 3. Okay, any doubts? If any doubts, please write something.